All right, guys, we have made some serious progress. Today's been kind of like a finishing, buttoning up day. We got this intercooler pipe in on this side, and we believe it is an aftermarket unit because it's powder coated black. It looks really nice. So that's it. That's in. For the intake side, this is what we came up with. Brian bought this on Amazon. It's a 4-inch 45, right? 45 or 30?
Yeah. No, I think it's a
45. And then we used his old BD diesel intake part. So, I mean, that looks pretty good. It doesn't look terrible. Brian actually found a couple dudes doing the same exact setup, and it works. We have modified the down pipe, as you can see. We have the factory elbow right there going to a custom down pipe that we made. Kind of see it right there. We had to extend it about 10 inches right there, and then weld on the old V-band style guy up there to fit the factory elbow. And then down here, we just have it clamped, you know, as any exhaust would be. Doesn't touch anything, fits really nice. The only thing we're gonna have to really figure out is the trans dipstick, which it's out of the way, but we're gonna have to like final mount it. Yeah, we're gonna start it. We don't have vacuum line that's going to fit this nipple. I do have some at my house. It is not full of coolant, and it is not full of trans fluid. So we just want to hear it run, see if we hear any exhaust leaks. Start her up. I'm going to go to the back. Oh, there she goes. She's going. No exhaust leaks. Sounds good. Woo. She's quiet, dude.
Not bad.
Hold on. Hey, give me a little when I'm back here. Yeah. It's open. Gonna try and pull this thing out. Got fluids in it. Made a mess. Oh, is it chalk? All right. Injectors are trash. All right. Let's go around the block. We just had to change out the cam sensor. Yeah, we just had to throw some trans fluid in it. Yeah, just go this way.
Cap mount's still loose.
Yeah. Trying to feel out the trans. It is fresh, so good shift. No?
It sounded like it. I know what you mean, but not like it used to.
Yeah. Felt fine.
That wasn't terrible.
All right, let's pull it up right here. Check trans fluid again. All right, she's out here. Everything's going good so far. Obviously, we still got some stuff to tidy up. No fender wells. Sounds good. Injectors are definitely not up to par, but that's all right. Yeah, it sounds like it a little bit. Maybe. Yeah, it sounds like the exhaust might be rattling on something. Yeah.
Alright, take a little lap here.
I'm gonna take a little lap.
Hey.
Hear that turbo a little bit.
Yeah. She's still loud as hell.
Definitely sounds a little different.
Oh yeah.
You can tell.
Once we're able to actually like
Get on
romp it.
That 20
feels
feels like 60 in here.
Yeah. Ride's pretty good for all the cab mounts being loose.
I know, right?
Hey!
Pretty good. Oil pressure is fantastic. Everything looks good. Check engine light is for, oh, that fucking camera's dirty. Check engine light is for the grid heater delete. Probably need to throw in a little bit more trans fluid. Check it while it's hot, but she's running. Still a few things to do. We got to throw the 30% back in when Brian gets them back. We'll do that ASAP. Get it retuned, kill some codes, throw the fender liners back in, and I think she's good to go.
Done deal.
Yeah. That's a lot of work.
Yep.
Yeah.
Until next time.
All right, hold on. She's back in the shop. Tomorrow I'm gonna come down, button up a couple things, check for leaks. Everything went pretty well. We did have to swap out the cam sensor, which is right here. The truck would shut off as soon as you give it any throttle in gear. So that was annoying to do, but stole the old one off the old engine, and she runs better and she drives better, because before it didn't drive at all. So the only thing we have left to do, wheel wells, little vacuum line off that compressor housing to the boost controller, tidy up some wires like this. This is from the old grid heater stuff. And rewire his light bar. That's that right there. Hook up his subs again. Actually, I think that might be done. Overall, she's pretty good. That's going to conclude this part of the Cummins rebuild. Yep. Engine sounds healthy. Obviously, the injectors are going to get swapped out as soon as those are back. That's going to suck. But we did it once, we'll do it again. It's whatever. 45-minute injector job, not a big deal. And got to get this thing retuned, make some jam. Yeah. And yeah. Probably conclude the series, and we'll update you guys when we put new injectors in this thing and get it tuned.